Hi fellow viewers, to everybody, good afternoon. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, my next acronyms or abbreviations is found only in the Philippines. Yes, only in the Philippines because marami branches ito at saka hindi naman siya, itong bookstore na ito, hindi ito academic. More on, kuan siya, talagang Christian bookstore po ito. Tsaka nationwide po ang branches. Now, ang question is, ano itong tinutukoy kong acronyms or abbreviations na bookstore na sinasabi ko? Okay, I'm referring to PCBS. Yes, you heard it right. PCBS. PCBS stands for Philippine Christian Bookstore. Simple as that. PCBS stands for Philippine Christian Bookstore. Ganun lang kasimple. By the way, this is a paid promotion label. Paid promotion label. Kasi ito kasi hindi lang Metro Manila. Meron din branches sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Sa Visayas, ang meron lang is Cebu, Bacolod, Iloilo, pati sa amin Dumaguete, Tacloban, I'm not so sure lang sa Tagbilaran, pero yung Tacloban meron. Kasi anyway, yung taga Ormoc pupunta din sa Tacloban, so the same story. So yun. Then meron din siyang Davao, Cagayan de Oro sa Mindanao branches. So nothing to worry. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good afternoon.